Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you withdraw money from WeBull app. So if you want to withdraw money from a WeBull app, you need to follow these steps. But before we move on, you have to make sure to update the application to the latest version. So here, what you will need to do is open up WeBull app on your mobile device, and you need to tap the WeBull logo usually at the bottom center to access your account menu. When you click on the following option, then select transfer from the top menu. All you need to do is tap on withdraw and select your preferred currency. Next, you want to add or select a linked bank account in your name and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Next thing you need to do is tap submit withdrawal request to review the details, and once the transaction is initiated you could confirm the withdrawal and you'll be able to see that you successfully withdraw money from WeBull to app or WeBull app. That's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.